3, 2, 1. I must pause the tape. Hold on. All right, sorry, we had one of our trading students. This is a live training session. This is called Nasdaq 100 monthly and weekly. And one of our students, Ken Flagg, who came here about a year ago, he's in his second year, which is now he's going to go into a senior trading position because he's gone through his apprenticeship, which is that first 12 months. And we always tell people the power of a long-term trading structure day by day, week by week, month by month, and trade by trade, and minute by minute, is that you become a senior trader. With my 30 years of experience, my job is to create a trading staff. I'm not a day trading firm, but yes, I am giving you as the public some free information because I care about you too. And you mean everything to me. And everyone means everything to me when they're at risk. Okay? And so basically on this monthly chart, we're going to take a look. This is 100 stocks called the Nasdaq 100 right here. And it comes out of the Nasdaq comp. Okay, I'm only going to highlight some features here, and then I'm going to go back to the regular students. On the monthly chart, we had a bear reversal trend in January. And we've come back, but this moving, there is an indicator down here called moving average convergence divergence. If you don't know what that means, then I suggest that you go to Stock Market Funding under SMF Services way down at the bottom, click on the Stock University that we have, and you can find out all about these indicators, because I'm not going to walk you through them. I'm going to tell you what Ken Flagg said. The February's over. And guess what? We've got a monthly buy signal in play. And these monthly buy and sell signals only come around every 4 or 5 years. Buy signal in 96. There wasn't another buy signal in 2004. At the end of 2004. And now we've got this little mustard seed right here, where my little spyglass is a buy signal. So when we look at bear and bull, we look at both what is the bearish part of the reversal, but then again, we also look at the hardcore monthly facts. And this monthly bar is final. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a trend line, and we're, with the Pro Trading School students here, half of that monthly Pro Trader bar. That's the SMF monthly Pro Trader bar. What will confirm the buy signal is when we close back above half of that bar. If we remain below it, the trend is going to be weak. If we get back above it, that means that tech stocks are going to go higher. That means that other stocks in the semiconductors are going to go higher. That means that the stocks that are in here will be performing, and they will be purchased. That's all 100 stocks. You got leaders are Apple, Google, Baidu, Gilead Sciences. It's a very diversification of a combination of weighted mixed equities that are performers. And it's these equities that make this index move. They will be purchased, and then the index will follow. And you've been given a gift. That's Nasdaq 100. We got a buy signal, which we haven't seen in decades. That's the bullish part. The bearish part is it must close above half of that SMF monthly bar. And basically, until it does, that's the overhead resistance, and the trend will remain weaker as long as we're below half of the bar. But then when we can get above that bar, that means that equities in general that are in that index are putting in bottoms, and they're tradable. Then that makes up the options. You can start buying call contracts that you can probably hold for 3 to 5 to 10 days and make a lot of money. And what it means is that that monthly buy signal is very powerful, my friends, just as it was back in 08 and other times in history when it went back over here into a sell signal, straight down. Same thing over here. Monthly sell signal, straight down, just that simple. That's the bear and the bull case on Nasdaq 100, which is 100 stocks that come out of the Nasdaq comp. And you've been given a gift. And the 10-month moving average is crossed above. It's been rising. Okay? So that's the bear, or the bull. Now, on a weekly chart, still have work to do. You can see the 4 weekly bars, and you can see the retracement. And when we start going into the weekly, I'm just going to do it very quickly. Got to close above half of that weekly bar, SMF Pro Trader weekly bar. That's what it's called, SMF Pro Trader weekly bar. Doji reversal, I called the bottom, I called the top reversal, I called the bottom. We've come up. 10-week moving average has to go higher, and you have to close above that blue line. You'll use that weekly to guide you on your soft landing, so that way you don't, the airplane doesn't go down and crash. And basically, you had support at 20-week. You have to go above half of that weekly bar right here, and you must have 4 weeks in a row of positive close above the 10-week moving average, and you've been given a gift. And on the 10-week moving averages, that's what has to happen. You can't have 2 weeks up above it, 4 consecutive weeks above the 10-week moving average. And that's where the bull trend started. And if we're going to make another bull trend higher, that's what will have to happen. And you can join stockmarketfunding.com. Go to the online trading community, click there, sign up, get all of your free index videos